No, my lord,
We remember.
nothing has been done. What they are doing, all bureaucratic grumbling. 12 persons have died. The rest they want, the appointment would be given if you can produce domicile certificate. Your lordship, let the NBSTC chairman appear and produce his domicile certificate.
Go through my data, sir. Go through.
But this is the way, if the High Court's order, the poor workmen were fighting the 2014 award. জেলে পাঠালেই হবে, তাহলে হবে না।
কিছু হবে না, এরপরে যাবে না। Serial number 6, grateful lords.
No, my lord,
We remember.
nothing has been done. What they are doing, all bureaucratic grumbling. 12 persons have died. The rest they want, the appointment would be given if you can produce domicile certificate. But I appeal to your lordship, let the NBSTC chairman appear and produce his domicile certificate.
Go through my data, sir. Go through.
But this is the way, if the High Court's order, the poor workmen were fighting the 2014 award.
But they are addressed to the Transport Secretary on 30th January 2025. আচ্ছা,
না, দাওনি তো। এই চিঠি দিয়ে কি হবে? আমি কাজ পাচ্ছি না।
কাজ হয়ে যাবে।
কবে পাবো? লোকগুলো মরে যাচ্ছে তো।
আর মরবে।
না, এ তো 7 জনের জন্য বলছো।
রিপোর্টটা পাঠিয়েছি একটা এদিকে।
No, why did we, after an entire adjudication
Yes.
process, an award has been passed? You failed up to the Supreme
My
Court.
lord, that is up to
Correct.
He submitted.
No, no, North Bengal, now you are trying to frustrate the order.
Absolutely.
We will send him directly to the correctional. We will not ask him to come here. The police will pick him up and take him there.
My lord, I appear for...
This is very bad, sir. This is very, very bad. We have been giving so much of indulgence. In fact, the learned advocate general also appeared on the learned earlier occasion. Every time we have recorded. Now you say 9 members have submitted documents, 7 members are overage. Up to 65 you are employing now.
My lord, a more detailed, my lord, a report. I'm just placing, lord, so kindly have a look to this. I'm giving. I've sent the report to my learned friends also. My lord, in this report, lordship kindly come to. These are the members. Details have been given. Then lordship kindly come to the last page.
Let the employers to frustrate the order. Let the people die, then we'll come and say they have all died.
My lord, these are kindly appreciate, lordship, one thing. That last these pilot points which are required, my lord. Out of 22, kindly come to the, my lord, 5th page. Out of 22 persons, they are the claiming, my lord. 5 did not submit any document for the purpose of employment. No age proof, no educational proof, no address proof. In spite of repeated reminders, they have not sent. 5 persons have not. They are, my lord, suppressing it, number 1. Number 2, lordship, see, out of 17, they remain 17. 17 domicile certificate, very well, if they say that, lordship, be kind enough to consider. Third point, out of 15, all documents received from 9 heads. In case of 6 persons, police verification report has not come. We have repeatedly requested. That is also annexed here too. Then last minute, the 7 heads are within serviceable, are not within serviceable age of 60 years. So, lordship, kindly, my lord, give us some direction what to do. Persons who will be, my lord, who will be regularized, they are now overaged more than 60. They are not disclosing. 5 persons have not submitted any document. In
What
that
document do you want, sir?
my lord, age proof, number 1.
Where were they employed earlier?
My lord, temporary basis, they were.
Therefore, they didn't jump from somewhere. They are not sitting on tree.
My lord, give us some, my lord, give some, my lord, some protection.
We will
As
issue a
regards
directive.
age,
No, see,
as
out of 22 people, 5 people did not
anything.
submit documents. They will not submit documents. We will make an order.
Lordship, kindly do
Then
that.
it is unnecessary and it is a attempt to avoid implementation of the judgment by insisting upon domicile certificate.
Yes.
Therefore, you cannot insist on domicile certificate.
Lordship, be kind enough to observe
And
that.
in respect of all the 15 people, whatever documents you have received, you have.
And age proof, lordship, kindly
No.
make some observation. If their overage is more than 60, then my lord, what will be
2014 award.
60? That is very important, lordship.
All right.
Well,
60 years. If they have already, my lord, crossed it,
will not be sent to jail. It will be done within 10 days.
my lord, it is
we
not,
have
because
got
state
the
government, the
letter.
finance is not giving approval.
The National North
Finance
Bengal
approval has to
State
wait.
Transport Corporation
Comply with the High Court's order.
produced a tabulated statement giving details of the 22 persons who are to be regularized in service in terms of the award passed by the Labour Court as affirmed by this court. In the bottom of the tabulated statement, the following has been stated by the managing director. Next para. In our view, the above issues pointed out by the managing director is a clear attempt to avoid implementation of the judgment passed by this court, which was affirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Therefore, the managing director is directed to issue appointment orders to all the 22 persons in terms of the judgment of this court. The NBSTC cannot insist upon any domicile certificate, nor any other documents, nor police verification report. And in respect of such of those persons who are stated to be aged more than 60 years, even as per the policy of the state government, the daily rated employees have been permitted to work till 62 years of age, and in some cases up to 65 years of age. Therefore, wherever there is wherever according to the NBSTC, there is a age bar, the same stands condoned by this court in this order. The managing director shall implement the order passed by this court in its letter and spirit, and give all the benefits to all the 22 persons. A compliance report be submitted before this court by filing the same in the registry after serving copy of the report on the learned advocate for the petitioner.
I have served, my lord. I have already. I have given.
No, implementation.
Implementation.
The compliance report shall be filed in the registry not later than 27/2/2025. If the compliance report is not filed on the said date, the managing director of NBSTC shall appear in person before this court on 6th March 2025.
Now, that 6 persons who have died, my lord, they should be given the monetary compensation.
Okay.
Would your lord,
In respect of the 6 persons who have died during the pendency of the proceedings, they should be given notional appointment, and accordingly the monetary amount payable pursuant to such notional appointment should be calculated and disbursed to the legal heirs
Yes.
of the deceased employee after obtaining the requisite documents from the legal heirs of the deceased employee. However, in respect of the deceased employee, the court is inclined to grant some more time, and the same can be complied with not later than 20th March.
Indeed, Lord.
lordship, kindly do one thing, lordship. Those who are asking for, my lord, the deceased employees, their particulars and one
They will
letter,
submit.
some intimation,
The
they should
legal
make an
heirs of the-
approach, lordship, to
legal heirs
clarify,
of the
to help us
deceased
also.
employee
আমি যাবো তো টাকাটা
shall
আমার
submit
দরকার।
all the necessary documents to establish their claim
Obviously,
for the NBSTC within 2 weeks from date.
Fine.
my lord, some more time, 2 weeks, lordship. Lordship, some more, no.
No, for that, we
It's a
have-
huge task, my lord, because everything we condone. Very well, lordship. My lord's observation, we bow down, lordship. Give some more time, lordship. That much I can make it pay.
20th March.
Finance department one.
No,
It's a process.
for deceased employees, we have fixed it at 20th March.
Hmm.
For the other 22 people, we have fixed it at 22nd February.
Lordship, that is, my lord, some more time be given because they have not in this, yes. Age point, they have never taken up. Right now, we have sorted out, now, my lord, finance is not giving approval, over aged, everything to be. My lord's order is there. But when all are within the periphery and, my lord,
Wait. You
My
instead of 27th, you change the date to 13th March.
13th March.
13th March. If they don't file the report, he should appear on 20th March in
Yes.
person. Then, in respect of the deceased employees, they can process it by 17th April.
lordship, and they will make, my lord, applications giving all the particulars.
Within 2 weeks, they.
Well, everything will be done by this time.
No.
Yes, please.
ওই জেলে পাঠালেই হবে, তাহলে হবে না।
Really, কিছু হবে না।
আর বের করা যাবে না।
Serial number 6.
Grateful, lordship.